ready your nachos, tacos, and other Mexican bite favorites because we are going to show you how to make a delicious dip with a fun, spicy twist. Learn how to make a spicy black bean dip with this quick and easy guide brought to you by recipes.net. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a food processor or blender, add the black beans, garlic, tomatoes, yellow onion, hot sauce, serrano, and cilantro. Blend slightly. Place the blended mixture into a small baking casserole and spread evenly. Sprinkle the shredded Monterey Jack cheese on top, then bake for 10 to 15 minutes. Serve warm with tortilla chips, garnished with cilantro. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.